Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your account with Robinhood, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your account with Robinhood, first, download the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, open the app once it's installed. Tap on the Sign Up button to create your account. You will need to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure your password is strong and secure. Afterward, tap Continue to proceed. You will then need to provide some personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure the information matches what's on your identification documents. Next, Robinhood will ask for your social security number for verification. Fill in this information accurately to avoid issues later on. After entering your information, tap Continue. You may also be asked a few questions about your financial situation and investment experience. Answer these questions honestly to help Robinhood tailor your experience. Once completed, you will review the terms and conditions. Read through them carefully and, if you agree, tap Agree. At this point, you will need to verify your email address. Go to your email inbox and look for a message from Robinhood. Click the verification link within that email. Once verified, return to the app and tap Continue. You may also have to verify your phone number by entering a code sent via SMS. Enter that code to continue the activation process. After your phone number is verified, you can fund your account. Tap on the Fund Your Account option to link a bank account. Follow the prompts to provide your banking information securely. Choose how much money you want to transfer to your Robinhood account. After entering your deposit amount, tap Submit. Now, wait for the deposit to complete, which may take a few minutes to a few days. Once your funds are deposited, you'll receive a confirmation. Your account is now activated and ready for trading. You can start exploring the app and checking out available investment options. Congratulations, you are now a Robinhood user. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.